it.
Maga, how to lose this now?
Huh?
Hello and welcome to yet another amazing vlog with Wander with CJ. Today we are in an amazing vlog where we are going to go on a trip. It's a bachelor's trip. I think you all have seen so all of these characters around me are the people who are coming with me. So this guy, I think you will have seen the proposal video.
Yes, sir.
If you all haven't seen, the link is on top. Go watch, check it out.
Please do
So
watch.
this is a trip. This is not officially a bachelor's trip, but it's not an official bachelor's trip. But we are bachelors, so we are going. So it's a
Sort of.
bachelor's trip. And there are two single person.
We have a
Yes.
retired professor with us who got a President Award medal from Abdul Kalam.
So we are done with the security check. We are done with we
Butter boy, shout
collected
to Butter
our
boy. Butter boy.
happy birthday.
It's time for lounge, guys.
We tried going to the lounge, by the way, but I got access. These poor guys didn't get access to the lounge.
I've got 3 cards.
I got 3.
This will go. This will go. Here nothing went.
I went, but
Look at the teacher.
because they didn't get access, I didn't want to go.
Oh, yeah, really?
Butter boy is taking you there.
Okay,
It's
so
on me, come.
follow us.
Pizza
We'll
got
take you
enough
through.
people.
It's going to be a series of videos, and everything is follow it.
Go there. Watch out.
So actually, we both didn't get access to the launch. Poor kids. Sorry, man. What to do? We don't have subscribers. We don't have money. These guys are ditching and going.
Bye.
So they
are going to eat outside, guys.
yeah. All the couples are gone. Single boys will go and find some affordable food to have.
No, affordable.
We'll go all out. Come.
We are at Wolfgang Park. The other boys have gone to the 080 lounge and we are having a cute little single boys date. We've ordered some pizza. Pizza has arrived. Looks amazing, smells amazing. So it's nice. I think there's it's a little bland.
I haven't tasted yet.
But
Me taste.
it's good. So guys, we all have had our food. They went to the lounge. How was the food?
Okay. It was not that great.
What was good?
Lasagna was good.
They said it's unlimited, and
And we have flicked few Coke, cool drinks for our friends.
what is the check-in process?
check-in process? There's no check-in process.
FD 138 Bangkok
So
on
after
time.
we are done, I mean now we are going to the gates. We are entering the gates. What are we shooting here?
Guys, don't come up.
We have got into the flight and it's super crowded with a lot of Indians. Indians who I don't want to see.
Especially uncles.
There's a
All
lot
our
of
area
uncles.
uncles. Everybody boys.
Drunk uncles.
Hello, guys. Finally, Bangkok.
Hey guys, so we have reached Bangkok. We are at the Bangkok airport. Next we are taking a flight from Bangkok to Krabi. It's at we have waiting of another hour or so, and then we'll go to Krabi, and then we'll go to the stay, and then we'll jump into the pool, and then we'll party.
เครื่องบินลำนี้มีประตูทางออกฉุกเฉินและสไลด์นิรภัยทั้งสองด้าน
Hey guys, so we boarded into the flight to Krabi. It's a 1.5 hours flight, and it's the same Air Asia. And from the Krabi airport, we will be going to the stay, which is around 12 to 13 kilometers, and people from the stay itself will be sending us a van. We are excited for the villa. It is a private villa with pool. We will show you the pool. We can't wait to get onto the room and get into the pool. So guys, we've reached Krabi finally, and we have met our driver.
Chauffeur.
Chauffeur. This is the van we are going. Roof is there.
No roof.
So he stopped at 7-Eleven. This is our first 7-Eleven store. Italy, yeah. Oh. Hey, this we have to try. Sushi rice, sushi roll. Where is the this ham cheese you have to try. This is a must try. I've seen in reels. Doesn't eat non-veg on a Monday. So he's sitting and looking for veg options in these collections. I think he can go for this strawberry cheese sandwich.
What this is? They should have some market.
Croissant sandwich. Nothing would be on this.
I'm assuming this is beef.
This
is obviously pork.
Little cook. This is pork.
But other than that, I can't read anything. This is
Squid. Shrimp.
And do you want this? Which one do you want?
Take man. Take anything.
How many?
Three flavors.
One this. I'll take this. This seems to be the one.
There's different kinds of Fanta. Green Fanta, red Fanta, orange Fanta. There are dispensers here. You can make coffee, cold coffee, ice. We can take these. This is amazing, guys. Amazing store. Whoa. What? Oven. Yes, we have.
Heat it up like this.
We do.
And cheese and
Yes. So this was 18 baht and it is amazing. It's just pure chocolate ice. It's very refreshing. He didn't like it.
Too much.
We've almost reached our stay. That's our stay, guys. So guys, this is the place that we are gonna stay. We have a top floor. Ooh, pool time, baby. I like the interiors of this place. We have a room on top as well. So guys, we checked into the room, we freshened up and we freshened up and we are heading out for lunch. We had a good time at the swimming pool also. You will be seeing the Insta 360's underwater footages for that. And check
And you will be
banana, coconut. Let's go to the lunch place. Let's explore the local food here. The main road is around 600 meters from our place. This road is filled with villas and homestays. From the time we have come from the airport, we have just seen modified alloys,
Modified
trucks.
Look at that.
All of them.
CBR 250.
All of them have SUVs and trucks, and it's all modified. Like they have put alloy wheels,
Alloys.
then what is that? Front skirtings,
Curtains, add-ons.
add-ons.
And the trucks here, they don't lift it, they lower it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can see that. Thanks.
Toyota Hilux, they've kept it for
Gardening.
Crew assemble.
This is Doctor Strange, no?
What is this? So guys, this is Thai rice seafood. This is what soup?
Tomka.
Huh?
Tomka. It's fresh. Tomka. Good. Fresh.
This is shrimp.
Yeah.
Shrimp.
No, simple. Squid.
Squid. And this is jeera rice.
How is this? Where's the fish? Where's the prawn? Not fish. It's fish oil.
Crazy flavor. You like it? So this is the street that we are living in. Look at this view, guys. So the end of this road is the place that we are staying. The pool is right opposite the mountains. It's an amazing view to have. This area is called Soi 11 Bar 1. It's a very nice area. If you're ever visiting Thailand, you should definitely look up places around this area. So we are trying, we bought these from 7-Eleven. One is beef, this is shrimp, this is pork. We have put hot water.
No, good.
The flavor is good, but it's not cooked.
I didn't cook.
Yes, you.
It's not
Didn't know
cooking, it's
how
just
to-
pouring boiled water.
That also you didn't know properly. Hey, poda. Man.
It's cooked, man.
Enough. Hey guys, so we are going to the Ao Nang beach. It's around 1.8 kilometers from our place. We're taking a walk. On the way are like stores, and there is a night market which is a little ahead. This is one type of the tuk-tuk instead of the autos, right? So they have this. So for 1.6 meters, they quoted around 150 baht for all of us. So these are the streets on the way to the Ao Nang beach. There are a lot of restaurants, a lot of fish food. So finally we are going to try the mango sticky rice. It's 80 baht. What is this?
Thai pancake.
So this is, they call this the Thailand pancake. They have different toppings, Nutella, the different like chocolate flavors and all. Look at that beauty. This is the Aonang beach. It's a very low bottom beach. There's a good walkway. People can sit here. So these are the fireworks which they do on the beach. So guys, this is another store like 7-Eleven. It's called the Mother Marche. Mother Marche. I think it's a little costlier than 7-Eleven.
Looking at what?
More AC.
What? More current bill?
I think there's more varieties of lace here. A lot of different varieties of juice. So guys, this is the strawberry version of Miranda. There is another green one. I've always wanted to taste other weird combinations of Miranda, so I've got this Miranda. It's very similar to 7-Eleven, but I don't see burgers, Aaron.
I'm sorry, Charles. I forgot to tell them to stock it. I will tell them.
You disappoint me. Guys, so this is what?
Satay.
Chicken satay.
I don't know. Satay or satay?
Chicken the satay.
Butter powder chicken.
Butter pota the chicken. Come
You
cheers
shouldn't
to
make
it.
sauce. That sauce will cheers sauce.
Hey,
will
come cheers do.
Cheers.
Hey, cheers do, man.
Cheers.
Cheers. This is grilled pork, guys.
This chili with this.
It's amazing.
This chili with this you try?
This is tuna. This is pork fried rice. And that's the famous pad thai shrimp version. Featuring shrimp.
Try this with this. Damn good.
And you should not take these sauces that they give lightly. Actually like elevates the taste of the food very much. And all these lemons, it's not for you to wash hands after eating. This is for putting on the food. So guys, we're done with day 1 of our Thailand trip. We're gonna shut off right now and we'll open with an amazing day 2. We have Hong. We have Hong Island tour in the planning. It's a private long tail boat. I'll let you know about the details tomorrow.
And since this is a bachelor party, you hired a stripper.
Signing off, guys. Like, share, and subscribe this video and follow the whole series. Subscribe.